What is going on, guys, and welcome to HTML tutorial. And this is going to be the second video in our series of web projects where we're pretty much using whatever we learned of creating our first project over here, our first website. I mean, it's very basic, it's very simple. However, it makes sense that we're using whatever we're learning, right? And the first thing that we're going to be covering today is actually text elements over here, and the elements that actually are applied to the text. But before we do that, actually, I just want to show you over here that I added some things to attributes in an image. Let's say the width. You can see that I made it in percentages, which we didn't cover it yet. But however, I'm just telling you that you can do that, and you can see what's happening is that as I'm working with a screen right now, it's actually, as I'm expanding or contracting, it's actually the image is moving along with the screen. And I also added these attributes over here, alternative attributes, which would be in the case if the browser cannot find the image, right? So the first thing that we're going to add is actually going to be a block quote element, because I want to create a quote over here. And I already found the quote, so the only thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste it over here. And you can see the quote by Abraham Lincoln about tea, right? So what I want to do over here also is actually, I'm just going to take this right now and I'm just going to cut it, and I'm going to place that within a paragraph and also within a EM element right here like this. So all I'm going to do right here, I'm just going to paste it. And now we have a Abraham Lincoln, which is in a paragraph and also emphasized. And we also going to add over here a strong, and we're going to place the whole like the beginning part of a quote, sorry, the whole quote actually. We're just going to place it in a strong. So now I can see that how my quote is in bold right now, and it's also emphasized. And the last thing that I'm just going to do is I'm just going to mess around with this sup and sub elements that we learned. So let's say over here, if I would just create sup over here like this, and I'm just going to, I don't know, let's say put this word bring in here. I mean, it doesn't make much sense, but something that just so we can work with it. So please bring me coffee, please bring me whatever tea, some tea over here. I'm just going to put it in a sub element. So I'm just going to copy this, I'm going to cut it out and cut and paste it over here. And now you can see that we have a pretty dumb website. However, we have used the stuff that we have learned. We have actually learned block quotes, and we have learned sup and sub and emphasis and strong. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.